Snake plant not only looks phenomenal, but it's also a potent plant when it comes to filtering out toxic airborne particles from home. If you love this houseplant, you can follow this method to multiply its varieties and grow unlimited snake plants. The best time to propagate the snake plant is spring. You can also successfully do the same in summer and fall. Avoid propagation in the winter months. Propagating snake plant from leaf cuttings in water. This method is the simplest to have unlimited snake plants from leaves. You can easily root its leaf cutting in water. Things you'll need: a sharp knife or scissors, a glass jar or vase, water, and rooting hormone. Method: take a sharp knife or scissors to cut off a healthy, mature leaf from the base. Make a V-shaped cut in the bottom of the cutting. It'll expand the surface area of the cut edge to the water and enhance the success rate. You can dip the leaf cutting in the rooting hormone, but that's optional. Place the cutting in a transparent jar or vase and fill with clean water, covering the bottom 25% of the leaf cutting. If the leaves are very large, you can cut them into sections and place each division in water. Keep the water-grown snake plants in a warm area with plenty of indirect light. Change the water every couple of days or when it appears cloudy or dirty. The roots will develop in around 2 to 3 months. Once the roots emerge, you can transplant the cutting into soil. Growing snake plant from leaf cutting in soil. Method: cut a healthy mature leaf from the base of the plant with a sharp scissors or a knife. Cut the leaf cutting into 4 to 6 inch pieces. Before planting in the soil, allow the leaf pieces to sit 2 to 3 days until they start to callus. This step will protect the cut ends from rot or fungal infections. Dip the bottom ends into the rooting hormone and set the leaf cutting into the container filled with a cactus or succulent mix. You can also use pure coco peat for this purpose. The cuttings will produce roots in 30 to 60 days, and the leaf will start new growth in the next 6 weeks. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.